Let me see here. Okay, I got a question here. Somebody said, Preston says, "Hey Bruce, thanks for all the videos. They helped out a lot. I'm a junior information system security officer. I'm in a junior information security officer position for a little over 2 years, but unfortunately the contract came to an end and I have been having trouble finding a job. This is my specialty. I'm going to show you what I do. It's been working. All right. So, Preston, I'm going to show you what I do. So number one, you need an ATS style resume. Now, if you don't know what that is, you can Google it, or you can go to ConvoCourses.com and go look for my free resume. Just download it. Get my resume. It's for free. It's an ATS style resume. It's nothing special, man. It's not. It doesn't look good. It's pretty. I guess maybe I've been looking at it so long. It's not special, but for some reason, it's been getting me jobs for years and years and years. And this right here that I'll show on my screen is my real Indeed LinkedIn profile. Your profile these days is more important, probably more important than your actual ATS style resume. Now, I tell you to start with an ATS style resume because you'll be able to use that to populate all the stuff you'll put into your profile. You'll want a profile on LinkedIn, on Dice, on Monster, on Indeed, on Simply Hired. Basically, I would say the top, if you're serious about getting a job, you'll want to put this on your top 20 job aggregators. LinkedIn, Dice, Monster, Career Builder, all those. ATS style resume, what you want to do is put as many keywords as possible for whatever field you're going in. Now, you said you are a ISSO, so you can actually copy a lot of stuff that's on my resume. But here's another thing you can do. You can actually go to my real profile. Now, I'm going to show you some other profiles you can check out, but mine has a bunch of keywords. I put a bunch of systems I use, techniques, all of these things recruiters are looking for. And this is why every day I'm getting job opportunities. Now, not all of them are for me. Some of them are in other states, other countries. I'm not interested in working outside of my house, to be honest with you. But look at this. Mapped security control policies to NIST 853, NIST CSF, CIS controls, ISO 27001 frameworks. So all this type of keywords I'm putting in here is what recruiters are looking for. You want to sprinkle this kind of stuff throughout your entire resume. Look at this. Cybersecurity threat and intelligence analyst, worked using open source and commercial intelligence tools. Keywords, impact statements. That's what I'm doing in my resume and in my profile. You want to do this. You want to be extremely aggressive about it to the point where it's just ridiculous. I mean, look at this. This is just completely saturated with all kinds of keywords. Now, you'll know what the keywords are in your particular field and whatever your subject matter expertise are, because it's not going to be the same for every field. If you're trying to be a pen tester or an ethical hacker or something, you're going to put things like, I don't know, MITRE, whatever, attack framework or something. You'll put Kali Linux, OSCP or PC, whatever it's called. You'll put, NCAT and stuff like that. You'll have a completely different set of specialties inside of your profile. Another thing you can do, besides downloading my resume, looking at my resume, is this. You can do this. Type in ISO, and let's put cybersecurity. ISO cybersecurity. This is just one keyword. There's many other things you can do. If we go people, you'll see a bunch of other badass ISSOs. And the reason why I know they're badass because they're coming up number 1. And then what you want to do is take a look at their badass profiles, and you'll see a bunch of awesome keywords that you need to put in your resume. Look at this: active secret clearance, CISSP. Now you want to be careful about the information. Don't put too much information in there. You know what I mean? But you definitely want to put certain tools in there. Okay, so she doesn't have all of her stuff listed out. But what you want to do is just keep going down the list. We just go to the next person.